Judge Cruz, you handled a case called ViaNet Operating Group v. Maurice. Is that right?
That's correct, Senator.
And you were reversed in that case. Is that right?
Yes, Senator.
You handled a case called Mooden v. University of Colorado. Is that right?
I believe so, Senator. Yeah.
And you were reversed, right?
I believe a portion of my recommendation was.
Did you handle a case called Freeland v. Vigil?
Yes, Senator.
And you were reversed in that case too?
A portion of that was reversed as well.
Did you handle a case called Freeland v. Olson?
Yes, Senator.
And were you reversed in that case too?
A portion of that was reversed.
You handled a case called Key Bank National Association v. Williams. Is that right?
Yes, Senator.
Were you reversed in that case?
Senator, I've issued over 1,500 recommendations and orders over the course of my 4 years on the bench, and that is one that was partially reversed, yes.
You handled a case called Renault v. Cardenas. Do you remember that case?
Yes, Senator.
And you were reversed in that case too?
A portion of that was reversed.
Do you remember a case called Janney v. Gomez?
Yes, Senator.
And were you reversed in that case?
A portion of that was reversed.
Okay. How about a case, do you remember this case, Judge Schwartz v. City of Denver?
The name is familiar, Senator. For all the cases I've handled, I'm not recalling particulars about that case.
Okay. Do you remember being reversed in that case?
Senator, I'm not specifically recalling that case.
Do you remember a case called Lucas v. Board of Commissioners of Larimer County?
The name is familiar, Senator. The details of the case are not coming to hand at the moment.
Do you remember being reversed in that case?
Senator, I don't recall offhand with that case.
Do you remember a case called Brooks v. Colorado Department of Correction?
Yes, Senator.
Were you reversed in that case?
I'm not recalling offhand if that was one where I had a...
Okay. Do you remember a case called ACV Jefferson County School District?
Yes, Senator.
Were you reversed in that case?
I was partially reversed in that case.
Okay. You remember a case called Blake v. United States?
The name sounds familiar, Senator.
Okay. Do you remember being reversed in that case?
I don't specifically recall that particular case.
Okay. Well, I've got others here, cases that you handled in which you were reversed. Tell me why you've been reversed so often.
Well, Senator, as I indicated, I've issued over 1,500 recommendations and orders over the course of my career. When I approach any of these cases, I approach them all in the same fashion, which is to analyze the law, analyze the Supreme Court and 10th Circuit precedent that bears on those cases, and I apply those cases to the law to the facts of that case. As a magistrate judge, many of those are recommendations that are made, which are reviewed de novo. I respect the decisions of those district judges who viewed those circumstances.
Thank you, Judge. Tell me how you analyze a Brady motion.
How I analyze a Brady motion?
Yes.
Senator, in my 4.5 years on the bench, don't believe I've had the occasion to address a Brady.
Do you know what a Brady motion is?
Senator, in my time on the bench, I've not had occasion to address that, and so it's not coming to mind at the moment what a Brady motion.
Do you recall the U.S. Supreme Court case Brady v. Maryland?
I do recall the name of the case, Senator. Yes.
And what did it hold?
I believe that the Brady case, well, Senator, I believe the Brady case involves something regarding the Second Amendment. It is not. I've not had occasion to address that. If that issue were to come before me, I would certainly analyze that Supreme Court precedent and apply it as I would need to the facts.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.